Hello everybody, welcome to my video. In this tutorial, we are going to see how to use a case statement. So basically, I have already created two tables. The table number one is students and the other one is exam scores. Let me execute this query and let me drag this up. If you can see, I have the table number one where I've got all the information about the students, including their name and the grade level. And in the table number two, I have got their exam scores, including the subject and their marks. So I have already have created a table. Now I want to know the grade level. So the output should something look like this. If a student's score is 90, it should be having A grade. 80 to 89 should be graded as B, and C for below 80. So the output should something look like where I'll be having name, subject, and score, including the grade column. Okay. So in order to do that, first we have to join both the tables. Select star from students, giving an alias as S, and using the inner join, which is also a shortcut for the join. Exam scores E. I'm going to join on what basis? I'm going to join this table on the common column, which is the student ID. As dot student ID is equal to E dot student ID. If I execute this, I'll be having output something like this, and I've got all the details: student name, their subject, and the score. I'm sorry, I forgot to add grade. So let me limit the columns to student name, their subjects, and their scores, and then we are going to add the grade to the student based upon the condition we have here, which is 80 to 89 should be graded as B, and the students who has scores below 80 should be graded as C. So in order to do that, first let me simply limit the columns: student name, comma, subject, comma, score. If I run this, I'll be having the output with only 3 columns. So now I'm going to create grades for the students using case statement. How to do that? Usually, I'm going to include this in the select statement only. In order to do that, I have to let me give some space in the query. Now, the keyword for the case itself is like we are going to give a condition, and the case statement starts with the keyword case, CASE, and then here we can give a condition using when. So when the score is above 90, then the grade should be A. When score is in between 80 and 89, then B. So basically when is more similar to where in the SQL, and we are also using this then keyword as well. Please make an observation. And the third condition is when the score is below 80, then it should be C. So basically we should have been using else statement, but I'm going to show that operator in the video. So we have to end the case statement as well. So basically we have started a condition using case, and the keyword to end the case statement is end. So if I execute this query, I'm sorry. So it should be greater than or equal to 90. If I execute this, let me drag this up. Now we got the output like we wanted to. So now you can see the grades of the students. So we just given a condition, the whole case statement is a single column. So, and also it is important to mention that in case statement, everything runs line by line. So if you can see 85 as B, right? So 85 situated between 80 and 18. So basically, according to the rule, the student A list should be graded as B. But what if I include a condition above 80 and 89? So for example, when score is equal to 85, then A plus. I know it doesn't make sense, but just for the video purposes, let's do this. If I run this, I will get analyze grade is as A plus. So it's always important to see that our condition is very precise, because it according to the rules, it will be compiled one line by line. So let me take this off. And now I'm also going to show how to use else. So instead of writing this lengthy code, we can simply replace it with else, else condition. So else C, that's it. Let me execute this. Perfect. Let me pull this up and let's see whether do I have anyone below 80. So yes, if you can see Charlie's score, he has been graded as C due to his low score in science. And let me show everything else. So this is all about the case operator. This is all about the case statement. So in this video, I'm also going to show give a small glimpse of common table expressions as well. So what if I want the output should be only including the grades of the students who have the top grade, like A grade students. That's it. So we can get that output using a common table expression, and this is just a glimpse with CTEs, which is the shortcut for common table expression. So I'm going to store the whole query in CTE, and then select star from CTE. Now I'm going to use a condition where grade is equals to A. Perfect. So now we can see the output that it has totally satisfied our condition. So this is just a glimpse of the common table expressions. More about I will make a detailed video on common table expressions. So it is a very important concept. I would recommend you to watch that video for sure. So thank you for watching.